Ka Thomas Jones College Jowai kalapun ku burom ya ki shispa prapomut ki samla puli ki bala pendep ya ka kerdan puli graduate haka Bachelor of Arts BA, Bachelor of Commerce BCom, Bachelor of Science BSc, but HSSLC haka jigrakhe ya ka graduation day ha Pynlong ka college haka singtho dia. Ya ke jingalang pun kuburom la penyai Dr. PMB Rani Assistant Professor Department of Botany ha ke jingdon lang ukongsan u Reverend KL Giri Member Governing Body Thomas Jones College ki nohikai bat ki samla puli. Shua ke jing pun kuburom la yok ke jingkren pediang na ka principal ka college ka Dr. Yarap Lang Dekhar bat ke jing puli bat duai na ka kong M Sutnga. U Reverend KL Giri ha ke jingkren ulapan pau ya ke jingkemen ban yok sngo baka Thomas Jones College kala say hadu shispa prapongwut ki samla ki bala pendep ya ke jingpuli menta usnem bat ula ai khublai kerpang ya ke jingjok ka jongki. Nalor ki shispa prapongwut ki samla puli lapan ku burom ru ya ki khatwei ngut ki department topper bat wei u college topper. Haka Bachelor of Arts BA ya ka nam department topper bat college topper la yo da u Happy Stone Sungkon naka Department of Education. Naka English Department la yo da ka Trewa Sarah Hadem, naka Khasi la yo da u Kwikili Pala, naka History la yo da ka Rosines Dekhar, naka Political Science la yo da ki Arngun, ka Cherisa Shela bat ka Remember Me Shela, bat naka Philosophy Department la yo da ka Shabanam Begum. Haka Bachelor of Commerce BCom ya ke nam department topper la yo da uda pentingan mi talang. Haka Bachelor of Science BSc ya ke nam department topper la yo da ka Abigail Devian Rumboy Zoology. U lemiki bang chemistry bat ka Sakani Phawa naka botany. Haka HSSLC la pen ko burom ya u Shining Star Merpet naka art stream. U Lewan ki Dekhar naka science stream bat Sanbor langki Rupsi commerce stream. Lapan pu penping ya ka singi kerpang jong ki samla puli da ki jingruai balaya shimbenta da ki samla puli kene ke college.
Lang langit Lord, usay o Yesa. Nagdang lagat mo, siya'y siya'y nangkaw. Lashisin ang sungkot, ang tingalayin, nangyin ba nangkin Joshate, nangkin Joshate.
Indeed, it is a very pleasant thing to know, to hear that Thomas Jones College has produced as many as 160 plus graduates this year. So this is a graduation day. So I would like to focus my speech on this particular word, graduate. What does it mean? Of course, all of us, we know the literal meaning of it. But at this time, I want to dwell on the significance of the 8 letters which form this word, graduate. And we'll try to see what each letter has to teach or has to say something about your life as the graduates. So the 8 letters which form the word graduate are G, R, A, D, U, D, U, A, T, and E. So the first letter G, what does it stand for? The first letter G stands for the word grown up. Okay, it stands for the word grown up. So when I say grown up, it does not mean only the physical growth, but it means especially the growth in terms of mental, psychological, spiritual, and social aspects of your life. So in other words, we can say that a graduate is a person who has grown up, not only physically, but also in terms of wisdom. So I hope that all of you as the graduates, through all the learnings which you have attained through all the years, you have grown up in wisdom. The wisdom how to live, and the wisdom how to be successful in life. Of course, it is a sad reality to see that many graduates, many people even after graduating, they fail to live a meaningful and a successful life.
I take this golden opportunity to extend my heartfelt thank you to our dedicated and hardworking teachers, without whom we would not be here as we are today. You have done great things for us in teaching, guiding us, in providing us with valuable knowledge and information, clearing our doubts, and most importantly, being so kind and patient in spite of our weaknesses. A very big thank you to you all, my dear teachers.
Of course, as the first batch of the science stream, as you all know, we are all under pressure to achieve good results so that our college will have a good reputation to stand on. But despite all the odds, we did it, class. So let's take this moment to appreciate our teachers who have made it all happen. They have guided us through a jungle of complex theories, and they have kept us from being extinct by handing us extension on those never-ending assignments. Even though we as students of zoology, we feel like sometimes we're living in the never-ending episode of Survivor, the zoology edition. We will never forget you, teacher, or stop being grateful for the indelible mark you have left on us. So let's give our teachers a round of applause.